How to fix no content available photo widget. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application and tap on your name banner and then tap on iCloud. Here you will see the photos option. Tap on that and make sure the toggle button for sync this iPhone is toggled off. Now go back and tap on general, scroll down and tap on shutdown option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. Now open settings again and tap on your name banner. Tap on iCloud again and then tap on photos. This time, toggle on the button for sync this iPhone and now go to your home screen. Tap hold on the home screen until the app starts to jiggle. You will see the plus symbol on the top left of your screen. Tap on that and you can see contents for photo widget is available. Select the size of the widget you want and then tap on add widget and you can see the widget is successfully added to my home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.